Place it here for autofocus. Then we select the iPhone here. I have noted below that XR has no external touch. Remove the cover. This refers to the in-cell display. If it is an on-cell display, we can't remove it like this. This one, because it uses different OCAs. It will react differently to the screen. Look, here are two kinds of OCA. If the quality of this OCA is different, its reaction will be different. For this kind of case, after it has been bonded, the cover plate can be easily separated. We just need to gently pass the wire through it. The cover plate will separate from mobile phone. The flex will fall off. So when we are doing operation, according to different OCA, we can set different parameters. We will not damage the LCD. This is the effect of our cold light laser machine. Okay, this piece is done. The power is quite high. Then I'll test it again. It's quite amazing. There is no problem at all.